So we're getting closer to our campsite, and we have a surprise view that was not there when we got here. Yeah, we did. So I'm gonna show where my tent is located. So the Havasu Creek is here with the turquoise water. Then I'm getting closer to my tent and our campsite area. So this is our campsite area. A lot of people moved after other neighbors moved out this morning. My tent is that one on the right side. This is the tent station for eating. And the surprise that we found is on the other side of the creek. So we're walking in the direction of Havasu Falls. It rained very, very hard for about half an hour. And this is what we found now. The Grand Canyon has waterfalls everywhere after the heavy rain. And they fall on the creek that is below here, under all those bamboos running down there. And it's just beautiful. They all look like bridal veil waterfalls.